Hey everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're tackling a classic comfort food and giving it a delicious plant-based makeover. That's right, we are making the ultimate vegan lasagna. Trust me, this recipe is so rich, so cheesy, and so satisfying, you won't even miss the meat or dairy. It's perfect for a family dinner, a special occasion, or just when you're craving something seriously hearty and comforting. So, if you think vegan lasagna is complicated or won't taste as good as the original, prepare to be amazed. Let's get cooking. First things first, let's talk about our layers. For the meat sauce, we're building a ton of flavor. I've got my pan heating up over medium heat with a little olive oil. We'll start by sautéing some finely chopped onion, carrots, and celery. This classic trio is the foundation of so much flavor. Once those are soft and fragrant, about 5 to 7 minutes, we'll add in some minced garlic and cook for another minute. Now for the star of our sauce, I'm using a mix of crumbled firm tofu and finely chopped mushrooms. This combination gives us a fantastic, hearty texture. We'll cook this down until the mushrooms have released their water and everything starts to brown nicely. Now, let's make it saucy. We're going to season our tofu and mushroom mix with some salt, black pepper, dried oregano, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Stir that all together and then pour in a large can of crushed tomatoes and a bit of tomato paste for richness. Let this simmer on low while we work on our other components. The longer it simmers, the more the flavors will meld together. Just give it a stir every now and then. The aroma in your kitchen is going to be absolutely incredible. Next up, the creamy, cheesy layer. No lasagna is complete without that rich, gooey goodness. We're making a simple but delicious tofu ricotta. In a food processor, combine a block of pressed firm tofu, a couple of tablespoons of nutritional yeast for that cheesy flavor, a squeeze of lemon juice for brightness, a clove of garlic, and a good pinch of salt. I also like to add a splash of unsweetened plant milk to help it blend smoothly. Pulse it until it's creamy but still has a little texture, kind of like real ricotta. And for our final cheesy element, we'll make a quick cashew bechamel. It sounds fancy, but it's super easy. Just blend soaked raw cashews with water, nutritional yeast, and salt until it's silky smooth. This will give us that lovely golden, bubbly top. Alright, it's assembly time. Grab your baking dish. We'll start with a thin layer of our tomato sauce on the bottom. This prevents the pasta from sticking. Then, place a layer of no-boil lasagna noodles on top. Spread a generous amount of our tofu ricotta over the noodles, followed by another layer of that beautiful tomato sauce. Repeat the process: noodles, ricotta, sauce. For my final pasta layer, I like to top it with the remaining tomato sauce and then pour that creamy cashew bechamel all over the top. It's going to get so golden and delicious in the oven. Now, into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. We'll bake it covered with foil for about 30 minutes to make sure the noodles cook through and everything is hot and bubbly. Then, we'll remove the foil and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown. The hardest part is letting it rest for at least 10 minutes before you slice into it. This helps it set up so you get those nice, clean layers. And there you have it. A show-stopping, crowd-pleasing vegan lasagna that is packed with flavor. Just look at those layers. It's rich, savory, and everything you want in a classic comfort dish. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's a game changer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious plant-based recipes every week. Let me know in the comments if you make it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!